Hey, I'm in the community of South Fork in Henderson, Nevada, taking you on another Las Vegas home tour. Behind me is a $799,000 list price home, 5 bedrooms, 4 up, 1 down. Let's flip the camera around and take a look. All right, let's go. Everyone knows the story, one take. We're gonna walk through. Let's take a quick pan. Here's the neighborhood. Coming off a corner here, it's a corner lot. Similarly sized homes, some single story as well as 2 stories all sprinkled in. So everyone knows the story, one take. We're gonna walk through. It's like a Zoom call or a FaceTime call. You and I are gonna walk through. Here's the side of the house, no script. We're just gonna talk about what we see. I saw the pool equipment on that side. We got a 3-car garage out front here, and let's talk about stats. So we know list price $799,000. We're in Henderson, Nevada. It's a comes out to $245 a square foot, built in 1996. And it's a 5-bedroom with 4 upstairs and then 1 downstairs, 3,255 square feet on an 8,000 square foot lot, fully remodeled. As I walked in, I couldn't find a single thing that they should have done. Bathrooms are touched up. The kitchen is completely redone. Floors, paint. It looks like they even painted the garage. So talk about move-in ready. Walk in, got this really open space, all of it, 2 stories, about a 20-foot top there. You got stairs to your left. And then this way would be kitchen, living room, and bathroom. It's a big circle. We'll kind of come here to the right. This would be your formal living room up front here. And this would be your formal dining room. Fun fixture there. And you know I love going to that kitchen first. So here's the kitchen. Look at this beauty. Quartzite, luxury countertops, Waterfall. Got the breakfast bar. All new cabinets. It's a fun vertical tile backsplash. Opens into that really majestic fireplace there. And out back you can have you can see your pool. Definitely an entertainment spot right here. So where I'm standing, we'll just start here and kind of work our way around. So there's no walk-in pantry. You have all this wall of pantry here. All soft close, and then below you have your pull-out. Easy access to the back. Nice. Feel that dovetail workmanship. Solid wood. Same thing up here. It's a thinner wood, but it's a solid wood and doesn't look like it's a particle board here at all. It's a light tan color. Offsets the brown on the luxury vinyl. And this is textured the way it looks. It's a tile. I like the vertical. You know, they say vertical stripes make you look taller. Well, it brings up the kitchen here. We've got the fridge sized to this cabinet space. I like seeing that, right? You don't have huge gaps around where you're getting fear of missing out. Like, I should have a bigger fridge. It doesn't fit here. They fit the right size fridge. All new appliances in here. That 6-burner range, extra wide oven. This is new. I haven't done this in a while, but this is an interesting unit. If it's something that interests you, hopefully you can pause, flip the camera around and pull it. If you want to look at something like that for your kitchen, you got that floating fan here. And then to the right of the fan, you have your oven down below. Stack, and then microwave up top. A little extra storage, deep. So that's your kitchen. I'll come back over here. So the island faces straight into the pool. Definitely have a clear shot to your TV area. Plenty of space for RO filter, tank, and sundries. Your dishwasher has the top buttons. And that, my friends, is your kitchen. So this would technically be your eat-in kitchen area here. I wonder if this island was added maybe tight to throw in a eat-in kitchen table over here. Or you may want to just keep the breakfast bar and then boom, table over there. To each their own though, to each their own. I'll say if you're moving to Henderson, Nevada, looking for a move-in ready house, definitely on the list here. All right, beautiful kitchen. Let's check out this backyard. Super long, which is nice. You got this longer pool. A typical yard would end about here, just about 6 to 8 feet past the house. We got this whole extra space, just makes it feel a little bit bigger. And this tiered retaining wall, they've got it decorated out. I've seen plenty of people actually use this second tier and make a little seating area also. I think you need it. You got plenty of space back here. And I'll tell you what, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but this water is moving, which you want to see. It means the pumps are cranking. So all this concrete area, it's been painted gray, like a Navy ship gray. And all your pool equipment's out here. Your filter and pump right there, not heated. So it's our backyard. Let's cruise in. Let's check out that downstairs bedroom. Swing through, and then we'll go on upstairs, check out those other rooms. Hey, if you do like what you're seeing, but you want to see it in person, don't ever hesitate. Give me a call. Shoot me a text, 702-706-7166. I'm a real estate agent here in Las Vegas. I'm a real estate agent in Henderson, Summerlin, the whole valley. Let's have a conversation, and if this isn't it, great. We'll talk about it, and I'd love to help you out and try to find the right place for you. There's my pitch. Back to it. So down this hallway, we have the bedroom here in the corner. Everything's about a 6-inch flat baseboard. Simple room here. I will note, built in 96, this one's not built with the 3 switches controlling a top light fan and a third outlet that's upside down. So I noticed that in all the rooms, there's just one single. But that is not going to stop you, my friends, because you can certainly get a fan with its own remote. I think I saw it in one of the rooms too. I'll point it out for you. So laundry's on the way in from the garage. That same quartz countertop, and then down below, same new cabinetry and sink. Let's head outside. Shout out to Svetlana Holder with Platinum Real Estate Professionals. Let me get into this listing. It's her listing. Wanted to feature it for you guys today, so shout out and props to her and them. Here's your hot water heater with the earthquake straps, and then this is where it's looped for that water softener and or whole home filtration. Often asked about, do we have any kind of charging capabilities? They've got a Tesla charger here. Chargers come in, I think it's 1, 2, and 3. I don't think you get 3s at home. Those are the ones you see in like commercial places. 1 is just like plugged into either this plug or a stronger one. And that bad boy's kind of in between. So 3-car garage, little space on either side. Both doors have motors. Not every 3-car garage is going to have a motor on both of them. And not every garage is going to have access to the outside. It's the small things. All right, coming back in here. Now, one thing I do love when I come from the garage is seeing some storage. We'll get to that. Oh, we're staring at it. We'll look at it now. One thing, they don't, either of them have place to hang stuff. I'm always like, hey, where do you hang things if you live here? But all kidding aside, love seeing storage. seeing a cabinet, or a closet that is, right in from the garage. So same cabinetry and countertop, all modern, new, everything. Here's your shower. It's got that tile with the set spot for your goodies, and then black hardware here, handheld and over top. And we saw our 2 closets. So that, my friends, is the downstairs. Here's your front closet. There you go. I feel like there's some lost space here, so you may be able to cut in there and make a doggy bed spot in there. So that's our downstairs. Let's cruise on up. So same luxury vinyl planks on upstairs, that light wood grain. So you have your primary here with the double doors, and then the other 4 bedrooms are spun out from here. So what I like about this primary is it's ginormous. So you have this entryway kind of sitting area. And then you have the second sitting area, or maybe it's over there. And then your bed would most likely be centered here. I see the 2 plugs, and then the plugs in the air for a TV. Your modern fan, can lights throughout. The walk-in here. Big space. Let's see what this is, 23 by 16. And coming in here to the bathroom. Same thing, everything's just been completely reimagined. So you have your modern soaking tub, and then an all tile glass with no profile on top. And then your handheld, and then the top and the shower does have a nice seating bench in the back. And if you're worried you saw that closet, so that's not going to be enough for me, rest assured, you got the backup. Nice built-in matching on either side. That's it for closet space, just the 2 of them. And same cabinetry and countertops as we've seen elsewhere, with the modern light and mirrors. And of course, every bathroom needs a toilet. So that's your primary. And a nice little view of your backyard from here. Now coming out here, there's no loft. You're getting all the bedrooms, so the house is not built with a loft space. All right, so after the downstairs, bedroom, primary, we got 3 left. Here's your walk-in closet, overhead light, and the walls are painted white or off-white, close to white if not white. You can see the difference with the trim in the wall. That's why I say, there's different colors of white apparently. So double sink here. This is like a Jack and Jill for these 2 bathrooms. The same nicer cabinets, soft close there, and then this is tub, low profile tub, all tile here. And the other bedroom for this Jack and Jill. So where are we? South Fork, it's in Henderson. You're nestled kind of like north of Anthem and north of Seven Hills, and then south of Silverado Ranch. So you're you're just like sandwiched in between. Right off of Eastern, the most prominent retail is like the Target shopping center is kind of right across the street from this neighborhood. To give perspective, if you're familiar, the Target that's off of Eastern. So you're right close to Eastern and St. Rose, so tons of shopping there. The 215 is like a 4-minute drive from this house. And then the last bedroom actually has a little front patio. It's not, or deck, not the hugest, but it works. Oh, here's the light where I was saying, so even if you have one switch, you can still have a control, keep the fixture always on, and then the remote can turn the light off, turn the fan off, do all the things. Super long closet, a 3-tiered door, and then out here, a little bright, hopefully sun didn't blind you, but you can see a little tops of mountain view. See you in the sun, hopefully it's not too much, but definitely got some mountain view there. Probably some nice sunsets from this patio area. Winter time, I think the sun sets over that direction. That's bedroom number 5. So if you're relocating here to Las Vegas from California, this is a very common aged home that we're seeing renovated. The 95 to 2005 are very common here, especially in this area. South Fork, Green Valley, Silverado Ranch, they're all kind of built out in those times. So many of these homes are getting picked up and they're just completely modernized. And that's it, my friends. Let's head on down. So let's recap. What did we walk through today? So we had a 5-bedroom house, 4 bedrooms up, 1 bed down. List price $799,000, $245 a square foot. The house itself is 3,255 square feet on an 8,712 foot lot. I didn't mention it. It's in an HOA. South Fork is an HOA, and the HOA is $37 a month posted right now. That's the long and the short of it, my friends. Annual taxes are listed at $4,000, in case you're curious. Pleasure having you. As always, I'm here to schedule private showings to this or anything else. I look forward to seeing you on the next.